Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. 6 best and cheap home remedies to cure acne. Plagued with acne? Having those nightmarish breakouts on your skin? There are numerous people around the globe who suffer from the traumatic experience of being bothered by the most tormenting aspect of the skin, and it is none other than the dreadful acne. Acne is the most common problem that bothers youth. However, adults are also not spared. Statistics reveal that 8 out of 10 people have an acne-prone skin and are struggling to get the flawless and impeccable skin back through various skin treatments. However, it has been clearly observed that most of the people fail to reduce their acne due to the fact that they are not aware of the exact ways which can help them to reduce their acne. Many therapies and branches of medicines, Ayurvedic, allopathic, homeopathy and Unani, claim to have a solution for this problem. At times the treatment is costly or time-consuming. It takes a long patience either way if you are determined to fight acne. You may be surprised to know that the remedy exists right at your home. Yes, the solution lies in your kitchen. Following are some simple home remedies that can help you get rid of acne permanently. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda is gentle exfoliant that has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps maintain the pH of the skin and removes dead skin. Make a paste of baking soda with water and apply on face. Wash off after a few minutes. You can also use it in combination with cinnamon powder, honey and lemon. Baking soda makes an excellent remedy for acne. 2. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a gentle cleanser that absorbs excess oil from skin pores. Make a paste of oatmeal and honey along with lemon juice and rub this mixture all over the skin. Leave this pack on for 30 minutes and rinse with warm water. Use twice a week for best results with acne. 3. Multani Mitti. Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth, unclogs the skin pores, removes excess oil and clears the skin. Mix Multani Mitti along with sandalwood powder and rose water to make a paste. Apply this mixture on the face and leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Multani Mitti is known to have wonderful effects on clearing acne. 4. Lemon juice. Lemon is very useful in treating acne due to its acidic property. Lemon also acts as a cleanser and cleans the dirt accumulated in skin pores. Rub a slice of lemon on the affected area of the skin and leave on for few hours. Rinse off with warm water. You can also use lemon juice in combination with rose water. 5. Toothpaste. It is indeed surprising that toothpaste that helps you clean your teeth can help clean acne too. Apply toothpaste on the affected area before bed and leave on overnight. Toothpaste reduces the redness of the acne and you will see significant reduction in 2 to 3 days. 6. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is known to be a popular treatment for acne reduction. It has antiseptic properties that kill the bacteria causing acne. Apply 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil on the affected area 3 times a day for best results. If tea tree oil causes drying or skin irritation, you can mix it along with aloe vera gel and apply on the skin. These are a few of the skin care regimen for people who are suffering from acne problems. Following the steps and taking care of the skin will give you back your spotless and radiant skin. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.